You heard about house hacking, but should you do it or should you not do it? Yo, what's going on, man? I know you heard about house hacking. You've seen it all on social media. All the gurus are talking about house hacking, how you should house hacking. And house hacking works if you are a single person or a young person. Should you do it? I'm gonna dig into details, but I do personally think that it is a great strategy that you can use. And I'm going to describe two different forms of house hacking. And as you guys know, I'm Nasser, aka the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a guru because I actually do this business. One way you can do house hacking is buying a single family home, right? So let's say you get a single family home, whereas it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5, right? So your basic bread and butter in the housing market, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Let's say your mortgage is $1,400 on that, right? You bought 2-3 years ago, you was able to get it for $1,400, and you're a single person. You stay in 1 bedroom, you can actually rent the other bedrooms. I know here in Charlotte, the least amount you're gonna get a bedroom for is $800 a month. That's on the low side, right? So typically you're looking at $900 to $1,000 a month, but we're gonna use the low numbers for this example. Let's say your mortgage is $1,400 and you say, hey, I'm gonna rent out the other 2 bedrooms. So that's $1,600, okay? It actually covers your mortgage plus you get $200, okay? So that's a win-win. However, let's say you decide to rent, you say, hey, I wanna test it out, I wanna rent 1 bedroom. Well, one of the bedrooms out of the 3 is $800, you charge the $800. And with the $800, now your mortgage is $1,400, you just putting $600 and hopefully you're saving or investing the difference, right? That's the whole thing of house hacking. You should have a goal, right? And what I mean by have a goal, meaning that the money you're gonna save on your mortgage or if you're cash flowing it, you should have that money going into a savings account to either buy more real estate or like some type of investment account if stocks and everything, if that's what you do. All right. Now, house hacking from this standpoint, right? We are in a duplex. And in this duplex, this is a diamond in the rough. And with this duplex, right? Hypothetically speaking, let's say you live on one side, right? And you rent out the other side. And for a residential loan, you can do that anywhere between 1 and 4 units, okay? Between 1 and 4 units. With that, you can get a normal home loan, right? A residential Fannie Freddie loan on that. So hopefully, depending on your market, like Charlotte, it's kind of tough to find these duplexes, triplexes, and quads. People want them, they're in demand for the house hacking thing, and money is still kind of cheap, regardless if interest rates went up. They weren't cheap as it was last year, but technically it's still cheap. Let's examine this, right? So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath duplex. So 2-bedroom on this side, 1 bath, 2-bedroom, 1 on that side. So let's say you say, hey, I can live in that. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go on a site like Rental Meter, and with rentalmeter.com, what you will do, you will actually check out the rents in your area. You do have to put in the address and you have to put in the bedrooms and bath. You don't know the area. You just throw in $900 because you think, that what it might be. Well, Rental Meter, what it would do is actually show you exactly how much something should be rented for in that area. Now, Rental Meter was something like this. It was like $1,100 was normal for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house in this particular area. All right, so let's take that $1,100 number. And with $1,100, one side is gonna rent for $1,100. So when you're talking to your loan officer, you could potentially run these numbers. Okay, so let's say the purchase price is $250,000. You get an FHA loan, 3.5% down, which equals $8,750 down payment, okay? On a 30-year fixed loan with an interest rate of 5.8%, with taxes at $1,400, with your insurance around $875, that will put you at a mortgage $1,603, okay? So what does that mean? That means you can rent out one side for $1,100. You'll be spending about $500 to live. Where else in the Charlotte metro area can you live for $500? Okay, I just told you in the beginning of the video that you can't even rent out a room for less than $800. So you'll be living and you have your own side and then you have tenants on one side. And hopefully you're in a position to afford $1,600 a month. So the difference of what you're saving, once you're banking that, you know, you can buy more real estate with that, or you can invest in some type of investment account. I think house hacking is a great idea to start your wealth journey. And remember, this is in real estate. We get into real estate to own and build wealth. Wholesaling is cool. The big checks is cool, but owning is where the real wealth is built. And I've met many people that said that they have started off with either a duplex, a triplex, or a quad, doing the same strategy. And from doing that, using equity lines, the money that they save to buy more real estate, okay? House hacking can hack yourself to wealth. You just have to be able to take action on it and willing to do it. All right, thanks for making it to the end of the video. Let me know what you think about house hacking. Should you house hack? Is house hacking good for you? Like, are you gonna do it? Is it something you want to do? Let me know what you think. Am I wrong? Am I crazy? Just let me know. Just comment below and let me know what you think. This is all about the viewer. And also make sure you go to DoruContracts.com. DoruContracts.com. Get your free contracts. I use these exact same contracts to make multiple seven figures in my real estate business. And you can too. And make sure you click on that other video below.